Welcome to part 1 of welding up the inner wings on Roger, the 1998 300 TDI Discovery 1. So let's get on with it. So I began by unscrewing the wing on the top from in the engine bay. Then the front indicator came out. The next job then was to remove the fixings that were holding the wing on by the driver's door. In addition to the screws holding the wing on, there was also 2 bolts which had to be undone. We were then able to remove the driver's side wing. That then revealed the inner wing, which showed us what we were looking for. Rust-wise, the driver's side inner wing wasn't too bad compared to most Discovery ones, but we know that this one has been repaired before, so we think that the left inner wing will be a lot worse than this one. The hammering then started to try and differentiate the solid metal from the rusted metal. We then decided to begin cutting some of the rust out. Unfortunately, during the strip down, this little bracket did also come off. At this point it was getting quite dark and quite wet, so we thought it best to stop working on the inner wing. But the day was still young, so we went into the garage and got on with some work on the outer wing. I hope that you enjoy this quick montage. To explain what happened there, the steel bracket off the inner wing had caused electrolytic corrosion on the wing, resulting in it becoming weak, so that when we went to undo the rusted bolt, that section of the wing crumbled. That's going to be it for part 1 though, so join me very soon in part 2 where we'll be continuing. Thanks for watching.